Welcome to Easy to Learn channel. Today, we are going to learn and repeat useful and important sentences together. Let's get started. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Where is the WC? Where is the WC? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? What time is it? What time is it? I'm looking for a restaurant. I'm looking for a restaurant. Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop? Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Question? Now tell me what other useful sentences we can use. Write them in the comments and make me happy with your nice likes.